My dear students, in my previous video, I derived the standard equation of the ellipse. Ellipse is an elongated circle in a conic section. If eccentricity E is less than 1, it describes an ellipse. Eccentricity is less than 1, then the conic represents an ellipse. So this is the diagram of the ellipse, and we have derived the standard equation of the ellipse in our previous video, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse, where b square equal to a square into 1 minus a square. A is the semi-major axis because a dash equal to 2a is the major axis, b dash equal to 2b is the minor axis. So we have discussed about the concepts of this ellipse now. Standard equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A dash is the major axis of the ellipse. A dash is the major axis ellipse along the x-axis. Major axis is along the x-axis. A dash is equal to 2a is the major axis of the ellipse. Major axis of the ellipse. This is point 1. Major axis is along x-axis. Major axis along x-axis. This is the standard equation. A dash equal to 2a. That means CA equal to A dash equal to length of the major axis 2a. This implies CA equal to C A dash equal to A. C is the center of the ellipse. C 0 0 is the center of the ellipse. That means origin. Center is origin. This is center of the ellipse. A dash equal to 2a is the length of the major axis, and A vertices A, capital A comma 0 and A dash minus A comma 0. These are the vertices of the ellipse. A comma 0, A dash minus A comma 0 are the vertices of the ellipse, and S dash are the foci. Foci, two focus we have S A comma 0 and S dash equal to minus A comma 0. These are the foci of the ellipse. S A comma 0, S dash minus A comma 0. Foci of the ellipse. X equal to A by E and X equal to minus A by E are the directrices. Equation of directrices. There are two directrices here, x equal to A by E and x equal to minus A by E. Equations of directrices. Two directrices, x equal to A by E and x equal to minus A by E. That is x equal to plus or minus A by E, we can write it as plus or minus A by E. X equal to A by E and x equal to minus A by E are the directrices of the ellipse. B dash is the minor axis, whose length is 2b. This is B and this is also B. Therefore, total length is 2b. B dash equal to 2b is the minor axis of the ellipse. Minor axis. That is y axis. Minor axis is y axis. So, equation of directrices we have seen, and the minor axis is B dash. Therefore, CB and CB dash is B. CB is 1B, CB dash is also on B. Next I am going to find out the equations of latus sectum and the length of the latus sectum. L dash is on latus sectum, L1 dash is also on latus sectum. There are two latus sectums. Now we have to find out the equations of latus sectum is this is x equal to AE and this is x equal to minus AE. Next, these are the idea: major axis, center, vertices, foci, directrices, and minor axis. Next, we are going to see equations of latus sectum. Dash is minus AB comma 0. This is the dash. Equations of latus sectum: one, it is x equal to minus AE, and this latus sectum L dash is x equal to AE. Next, equations of latus sectum. Equations of latus sectum. Latus sectums. Two latus sectums we have. X equal to plus or minus AE. That is x equal to AE and this is x equal to minus AE. X equal to AE and x equal to minus AE. That is x equal to plus or minus AE. Combining, you will get x equal to plus or minus AE. This is equations of latus sectum. Two latus sectums we have. Next, we are going to find out the length of the latus sectum, L dash. Okay. Latus sectum. Next, length of the latus sectum. Here, major axis is 2A, minor axis is 2B. They are always A is greater than B. Major axis is greater than minor axis. A is greater than B. Major axis is greater than minor axis. Therefore, A is greater than B. That you should remember. Next, equation of latus sectum. Equation of latus sectum. That is L dash L AE comma Y1 L AE comma Y1. Equation of latus sectum like L dash is a latus sectum. Equation of latus sectum L dash L AE comma Y1 and L dash AE comma minus Y1 are the points on the ellipse. L AE comma Y1 and L AE comma minus Y1 are the points on the ellipse. We substitute L AE comma Y1 or points on the ellipse. These L and L dash are points on the ellipse. Substitute L A comma Y1 in the equation of ellipse. In the equation of ellipse. X square by A square. X square by A square is X square is AE. AE whole square by A square plus instead of Y you substitute Y1. That is Y1 square by B square equal to 1. You substitute x for AE, therefore AE whole square by A square plus y square is y1 for y1 square by B square equal to 1. Squaring A square cancel on both sides, you will get A square E square by A square is only E square. A square by A square cancel, you will get only E square plus y1 square by B square equal to 1. You take that E square to the right hand side, you will get y1 square equal to, or y1 square by B square equal to 1 minus E square. We know B square equal to A square to 1 minus E square, therefore 1 minus E square is B square by A square. This 1 minus, because we have B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. B square equal to A square to 1 minus E square. From this you can get 1 minus E square equal to B square by A square. So instead of 1 minus E square, you substitute B square by A square. Yes. Here you have y1 square by B square. On cross multiplication, you get y1 square equal to B power 4 by A square. From another step, y1 square equal to B square to B square, B power 4 by A square. Y1 square equal to B square is also, come to the numerator, you will get B power 4 by A square. So y1 equal to plus or minus taking square root B square by A. So y1 is B square by A and minus B square by A. Therefore y1 is, this is AE comma B square by A. One endpoint of the latus rectum is AE comma y1 is B square by A, positive value. AE comma B square by A. And this one is AE comma minus B square by A. Sorry, A. So this is y1 is B square by A. Lengthwise it is again B square by A. This is B square by A, then this is also 1 B square by A. Lengthwise therefore 2 B square by A. So length of the latus rectum is B square by A by B square by A. 2 B square by A is the length of the latus rectum L dash. L dash is y1, 1 B square. Length is B square by A, but coordinate is minus B square by A. This point is minus B square by A, but length is B square by A. Therefore, length of the latus rectum B square by L dash equal to 2 B square by A. So, length of the latus rectum L dash equal to length of the latus rectum, L or means latus rectum, L dash equal to 2 B square by A. This is the formula for latus rectum, 2 B square by A. B square by A. 2 B square by A is the length of the latus rectum. Okay? That's all about this ellipse. We have center, horizon. A comma 0 minus A comma 0 vertices, A comma 0 minus A comma 0 are the foci, 0 comma minus B, 0 comma B is the endpoint of the minor axis, therefore 2B is the length of the minor axis, 2A is the length of the major axis. So major axis is always greater than the minor axis, major axis greater than the minor axis, and x equal to A by E one directrix and x equal to minus A by E is another directrix, and LL dash is on latus rectum and L1 dash is also on latus rectum. So the length of the latus rectum is 2B square by A, whereas in this side coefficient of L1 is minus AE. minus AE comma B square by A. This is equation of L1. L1 dash is minus AE by minus B square by A. The endpoints of L1 is minus AE by B square A. L1 dash is minus AE by minus B square by A. Here also B square by A plus B square by A, 2B square by A, that's all it is. Okay. And these are the idea of this ellipse and the points you should remember for solving the problems. Next, eccentricity is greater than, eccentricity is less than 1 for ellipse. You know that? And one more point I am going to insist is, we know that B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. By multiplying with A square, you get A square minus A square E square. You substitute for AE by C. Substitute AE equal to C. Therefore, this A square E square is C square. You will get A square minus C square. B square is A square minus C square. Or you bring this C square to the left hand side, it becomes plus C square equal to A square minus B. It's also one result. B square is A square into 1 minus C square. Instead of that, you can write B square is A square minus C square. And C square is A square minus B square. C square is A square minus B square. This point is also you have to remember. I am replace AE by C. Okay, this is the idea of the ellipse where major axis along the x-axis. Okay, we will stop here, and if the major axis along the y-axis, what is the equation of the ellipse we will see in the next video. Thank you.